6 ways to clean your bathroom the eco-friendly way. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. When it comes to cleaning the bathroom, there are no two ways about it. It needs to be done on a frequent basis. As such, you might want to reconsider the chemical-based cleaners that you use for the job. Not only are they dangerous to use, but also unnecessary, considering you can manage to accomplish most cleaning tasks with eco-friendly materials. In this guide, we will go over a few working strategies that you can make use of. As for products, you will need 3 basics. First is you need lemons. Second is distilled white vinegar, and lastly is baking soda. All of them are less toxic than you will find on the shelves in the supermarket. They are very easy to use and only require some knowledge on how to make the most of, which is exactly what you take from these hacks. Number 1. Clean the bathroom mirrors. If you want to clean your bathroom mirror and glass shower doors, you can use white vinegar. Spray a solution of 1 part vinegar and 1 part water on the glass, and wipe it dry with a microfiber cloth. If you wish to avoid streaks, you can use a newspaper. The result will always be a shining surface looking back at you. Number 2. Clean the toilet. Not only is a dirty toilet unpleasant to look at, but it is also unsanitary. Before you reach for the bleach, consider the fact that it is not a natural solution. It releases toxic chemicals, which can make your head feel dizzy. Instead, you can use half a cup of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Pour the mix inside the toilet and allow it to sit for about 20 minutes. Baking soda is abrasive, so a little scrubbing will do wonders, while vinegar will sanitize the area and remove any stains. Number 3. Clean the sink and bath. In order to clean the bathtub and sink, you can use the same mix of white vinegar and water. Spray it on the surface, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then give it a good scrub. The vinegar will remove any hard water deposits and mold stains. You can also try lemons for the task. Cut one in half, sprinkle some salt on it and use it as a scourer. Wipe away with water afterwards. As a bonus, you get a nice lemony fresh scent in the bathroom, in addition to clean surfaces. Number 4. Unclog the drain. If you have a clogged drain, you need not despair. But you can address the situation with vinegar and baking soda. Pour some soda down the clogged drain, and follow up with half a cup of vinegar. The mixture will do some fizzling magic, and be done with the clogged problem. Pour some boiling water to clear it out completely. Number 5. Clean grouting. Grouting is porous, and often has black spots of mold building up there. You can mix a paste of baking soda and water. Apply the solution with a toothbrush on the grout lines and then clean with water. The scrubbing effect of baking soda will deal with any impurities on the grout. Number 6. Clean taps. You can remove watermarks on the taps and faucets in several different ways. You can rub a slice of lemon, which works very well. You can clean stainless steel with a touch of olive oil. Or you can always resort to the eco-friendly cleaning champion vinegar. It makes quick work of watermarks and hard water deposits. Cleaning your bathroom in an eco-friendly manner is entirely possible. You can use vinegar to shine bathroom mirrors and shower doors. You can also unclog a drain by pouring baking soda and vinegar. You can remove hard water deposits and stains from the sink and bathtub by using lemon for a fresh and clean outcome. All of these eco-friendly methods for cleaning your bathroom work wonders. Make sure to try them out, and you will see just how effective they are. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.